everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to eliminate bubbles in jesmonite or cement. As you can see, there are a lot of tiny holes in this. I'm just going to show you how to eliminate these holes and fill them up. What I'm going to do is I will take my jesmonite, and you don't need a lot of jesmonite for this, just a little bit will do. And I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add my neon green color to fill up the holes. And I added the retarder, but you don't need to add it. It was just unnecessary. And I'm just spreading the jesmonite on top of the cement. And I'm taking a scraper and scraping it off. You can do it with a scale or any card if you have. I just had this cardboard piece, so I used that. And I'm making sure that all the holes are filled up. This is my jesmonite tray that I made. And I'm doing the same with this. And that one, the vase and that coaster, are made in cement with jesmonite chips. I'm going to put up the link on this video about how I made this jesmonite tray with terrazzo chips and the insider, and also how I made the cement coaster and the vase with jesmonite chips. I'm just applying the jesmonite on the sides so that all the holes are covered up. I think what the mistake I made over here is that I put the retarder in the jesmonite and it became very thin. The consistency was very thin. It should have been thicker, because what happened was the holes did get filled, but due to the thin consistency, it did not fill till the top. It filled halfway through. And I'm doing the back side of the vase over here and the sides. You can use any color you want. I wanted to add neon and this dark green, but you can add whatever color you want to fill the holes. And this is such a nice technique. I learned this recently, and it really fills up all the holes that are in your tray, coasters, vase. And now I'm just going to sand the top part of it. Wherever I added the jesmonite, I let it dry for 10 minutes, and I am sanding all of it. I sanded the jesmonite tray, and now I'm sanding the cement one. I'm not going to sand it too much, just a little bit to get rid of the top extra jesmonite. And this is a very easy process to do. This sanding is easier than the one I did in the previous video. And as you can see, all the holes are filled up. There are no holes, just in some parts you can see the holes are left because of the consistency of the jesmonite. And I really like the results. I'm just going to quickly finish off this coaster. The sanding takes a lot of time, but over here it did not take me that much time. See, all the holes are filled up on the sides and on the top. And here is the close-up of my jesmonite tray. I have filled up all the holes. You can add the crystal cluster if you want. You can decorate it however you want. I'm going to show you now how I finish these off, how am I going to seal it, and how I will add some gold foil to it. This is my acrylic lacquer spray, clear acrylic lacquer spray, and I am spraying it on these coasters and my jesmonite tray. And now I am going to add my gold foil. I will show you how I do it. This is my gold foil, and it actually sticks to sticky parts. So since I have applied the lacquer spray, all of these are sticky, the surface is sticky. So I am just adding the golden foil on the coaster, and I will do the same with the vase and the jesmonite tray. The jesmonite tray I could leave it like that too. I really like it that way. I just wanted to give it an antique look. I'm adding a little bit of gold foil. As you can see the result. You don't wait for the acrylic sealer to dry, just wait for it to become a little bit sticky. After 1 or 2 minutes you can apply this gold foil to it. You can get these gold foils from Amazon. And we are done. Here is the final look. If you liked my video, do comment, do give it a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. This is the other side, the yellow side of the vase. You can place it like that too. This crystal is made by me, the showstopper mold. You can order it from my Insta page. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.